If you're using Claude for Claude Code or Claude Cowork, then you may want to integrate different services. One of the services that I like to integrate is HighLevel or GoHighLevel. What it is a CRM or autoresponder, and I'm able to integrate that directly into my chatbot. There really are a lot of really cool integrations that Claude is bringing to the table. Some are officially released from Claude, and some are just these servers like what I'm going to show you how to install today. When this is done, you'll be able to come to Claude and come to something like Cowork or Code, and then you'll be able to add in your connectors and have custom connectors. Right here, I have GoHighLevel, and then I have my sending domain, which if I send an email, it's going to be coming from that domain. Now, to make this as simple as possible, I also included some step-by-step instructions on how to install this on your computer. The two things that you will need, you do need the paid version of Claude in order to do that. You can just come here and they have pricing. Figure out which one works best for you. I'm currently on the max plan, but you could do it in the pro plan, but you'll burn through credits much quicker on that plan. And the other one is GoHighLevel, which again, you can go and grab from the link in the description of this video. HighLevel does more than just emails, so a lot of these integrations are going to be super helpful because you're going to be able to interact with different parts of your ecosystem directly from a chat. If you do want to grab this step-by-step guide, you can grab it at aiprofitchecklist.com, and I will email it directly to your inbox. Make sure that you check the spam folder to make sure that it is delivered. Once you receive it, you will get this Google Sheet. I recommend bookmarking it so you do not lose it. And here are the 5 steps that you will need to follow to make sure that this integration is set up correctly. But before we get started, I wanted to make sure it was very clear what the MCP server actually can do from HighLevel. They can add new features in the future, but this is what they have available at the moment. I found this out the hard way when I was trying to create an automation and found out that it did not have the functionality to do what I wanted. But what it can do right out of the gate, it does work as a way for you to connect with your contacts because it is a direct integration with your CRM. Another one is conversations and messaging. HighLevel has a whole built-in pipeline system where now you can interact with your pipeline directly from the chat and you don't have to go to their terminal. It will also allow you to do social media postings. This article did say that it works on X. I'm not 100% sure if that is still active since X's API is so ridiculously expensive. Opportunities that could lead to growing your business. HighLevel has a whole blogging system built in so you can manage your entire blog directly from your Claude Code terminal, and even things as simple as a calendar. Before you dive in, you might want to know what it cannot do yet. Things like trigger campaigns and broadcast emails. This is actually where I got stuck up. That's the feature that I needed. I can't launch a workflow that I built in HighLevel just by clicking a button in my terminal, which again, a feature I'd like. You can't change or modify funnels, which are basically websites. It doesn't have any connections with the membership system that HighLevel offers. You can't access reporting data, which is, again, a feature that I really want. So that's something I'd really love for them to add. And then because HighLevel acts as a white label SaaS tool, you can't manage all of your SaaS ecosystem from the terminal yet. But it is good for things like one-on-one follow-up animation, tag-triggered workflows, CRM cleanups and commands, clean up everything really easily just with words, and then blog content pipelines. So these are the main purposes right now, but it is growing. Also, if you do get value out of these, if you wouldn't mind just smashing the like button, hitting subscribe, and ringing the bell, it really does help tell the algorithm to share these videos with more people to find automations to make more passive income with AI. Well, let's just go through the entire installation so you're ready to go. Again, you can find all of these notes over at aiprofitchecklist.com, and I currently have them right here in the Claude desktop connectors at the bottom. Once in here, you're going to need to double check if you have Node.js installed. This is very easy for you to check and see if you have this. Just bring up terminal and grab this where it says node --b, and we're going to come back over to terminal and paste it in right here and hit enter or return. And since it came back with a version number right here, means that it is already installed on my system. If you do not have it installed yet, it's simple. Just go to this link right here to the download page. I have a Mac, so it's having me download it on Mac OS. But if you click this drop down, you could see for different operating systems right here. Just go ahead and follow the instructions step by step to download this. And I wanted to really just emphasize the power of something like Claude Cowork. If you get lost, you have no idea how to do this installation. I don't know anything about Node or how to install it. I could just go and grab that link, and then I could start a chat with Claude and tell it to go and install it for me, and it will do all of it for me. And if it can't do something manually, it will walk me through it step by step. It is an amazing teacher. Now we have Node.js installed, and we can move on to the next step. and that is with HighLevel itself. When you log into HighLevel, it's going to bring you to your agency view, and we're going to switch to the sub account that we want to connect to Claude. Once here, just come down to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. In Settings, if you're not already there, click on Business Profile, and this is where we could find our location ID. We will need this in order to set up our HighLevel. I made a list of the 3 things that you're going to need to change in this code with what we've collected right here, just to make it simple for you. The ID that we just got in the settings right here, and that would end up being put right here at the very bottom of the code. This part right here where it says production, GoHighLevel, MCP, I personally modified mine to say GoHighLevel and then the email sending domain that I'm coming from. You can modify this to whatever you want. Whatever you put there is what will show up here. Now to get our bearer token, we need to go back over to HighLevel again. Still in the settings, we're going to come down to private integrations. I already have my private integration right here for Claude, but if I wanted to create a new one, I would click Create New Integration, and I would give it a name, give it a description if I like, and then we're just going to come over here and click Next. Now scopes, this is something that might be different for you. You're going to be able to come here and go through what you'd like to give it permissions to have access to. You can go through these one at a time and pick just the ones you want, or if you want, you could always click Select All, but that just gives it complete control of everything that it is able to control. But if you're worried about it having access to things you don't want it to, you can go through this list and deselect anything you don't want it to have access to. For the sake of this example, I'm just going to leave everything checked. And now all you do is you come down here to the very bottom, click Create, and it is going to give us our code. It is giving us full access, so it is double checking. Again, click Confirm. It has given us our code, click Copy, and then we would add that in right here where it says bearer, this part right here, not the part that actually says bearer, but just the part that says put your token here, leave the word bearer. At this point, you have everything set up. You've added in your custom name right here. You put in your token from the bearer, which again, that's the same thing as the private integration. And then you put in your HighLevel ID right here. In order to find the file that we need to add that code into, I went ahead and removed the code just so I could show you that it's blank. See, I removed it, so it disappeared from the terminal. I just come to this bar right here, the bottom, and I'm going to click on Settings, and we're going to come down to Developer. There's no MPC in that folder anymore, so I'm going to hit Edit Config, and it is going to open this folder in my browser. And I'm going to need to edit this file right here where it says Claude Desktop config.json. Now you might have a file that looks something like this in here if you haven't done much in that folder yet, but once you add that in, do not delete this, just have a few spaces and add the code in here. And one thing about JSON files is that they can be very, very fickle about making sure that the code is exactly right. If a comma's off, parentheses, anything like that, it could break the code. So if you were getting an error, what I'd personally do is I would just go here over to Claude and I would go to the chat. I would drop the code in there and it will help fix the code for you and tell you what to copy and paste into that file. That's one of the coolest things about Claude and Claude Cowork, because you could use it to troubleshoot itself. And make sure you keep this data safe, because if anybody else got access to it, they would be able to send from your emails in your GoHighLevel account. Once you've added this, make sure that you have saved this JSON, and then go back to Claude Desktop and close it down completely. When you turn Claude Desktop back on, it is going to load. And now when I come to the plus, to connectors, I see that GoHighLevel, JonathanDunkerly.com is in there, and I'm going to be able to have all of the functionality that it offers using that server. Now we're going to be able to do a lot of these things directly from the chatbot, directly in Claude. And HighLevel has said that they are going to be adding more integrations to the MCP server, which means that maybe we end up getting campaigns. And now that we have this integration, we're just going to automatically be getting these upgrades as they upgrade their server. So if there are other integrations like this that you want me to figure out and teach you, let me know in the comments. I like figuring these things out and then reverse engineering them so I could show you. Everything to set this up is again available at AIProfitChecklist.com. Again, my name is Jonathan Dunkerly. If you get value out of this video, make sure that you watch one of these videos next. Keep creating, keep earning passive income, and I will see you in the next video.